Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have been shopping on Lookfantastic website and I found some amazing products to share with you. Some products I have tried before and I'm really excited, especially the first item I'm going to share with you. It's all to do with periods, but I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a little while. So in this video I'm going to be showing you products that I've handpicked from the Lookfantastic website. New products to try, all familiar favourites, some on sale, some not on sale. This video is in collaboration with Lookfantastic. They've been partnering up with me for the last couple of months or so doing these videos, which I love doing because it also gives me some products that I'm able to try out in future videos as well. They've given me a discount code to share with you. You might already be familiar with it if you've seen these videos before, but it's Diary LF and that will entitle you to anything up to around 25%. It all depends, but everything you see in these videos, my discount code can be used against it, and you'll find all the links individually down below in my description, as well as my code and any other offers or new beauty boxes Lookfantastic currently have. Then you'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. The very first item, as I promised, is to do with your periods, and it's a Ziggy cup. This is what it looks like. It's by the brand Intermina. And this is Ziggy Cup 2. There is a Ziggy Cup A. The reason I went for a Ziggy Cup 2 is because I've had 3 babies vaginally. Very similar to a moon cup, for instance. It's a menstrual disc. It costs £38.95 and I've been using these for years. They are brilliant. Honestly, they are really good. So it's a disc. There is videos online, I believe, because I had a look at first on how to do it. On the brand's website, you will be able to see photos, not literal photos. You'll be able to see pictures, and there might be a video. I'm sure I saw a video, like a cartoony type video, showing you how to use them as well. But once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. Can you see there it dips? You're supposed to squeeze it like that, and then insert like that, and then you just push with your finger like that. So then it goes up behind your pubic bone and then it opens up. So it acts as a plug. The blood is collected in here. You can wear it up to 12 hours. And one of the main reasons I went for it is the fact that you can have sex when it's inside you. Unlike anything else. I have got really bad problems with my periods. I was diagnosed last year with adenomyosis. It makes sense. I don't know how it's taken so long for me to get the diagnosis. I suffer from really painful, long periods. It's got worse the older I'm getting, which is not great. I am on HRT. That hasn't helped it whatsoever. It's made it worse. So basically, I'm bleeding all throughout the month. I have one long, really painful period, and then the rest of the month I'm spotting. Some days are heavier than others. So basically, I've been living in period underwear for the last couple of years. And obviously, I was diagnosed last year with adenomyosis, and they said, hysterectomy. That'll sort it out. Bottom line then. But I'm fine. I had a biopsy, everything is fine, the lining of my womb's fine. I have done a video. It's quite a raw video. I'm quite emotional in it. I ended up having a coil fitted. I completely freaked out the following day and I had it removed a week later, but that'll be shown in the next couple of weeks or so. Because I'm bleeding all the time, it puts a dampener on my sex life, obviously. It's just a flipping pain until I found one of these. It looks thick, it looks clumpy, but no, once it's inside, you can't feel it. It's easy to remove as well. I should put a disclaimer before this, shouldn't I? Just in case you get, I don't want to hear any of this, yuck. I put a timestamp so people can fast forward. But basically, you put your finger in and then you just hook your finger around the top, pull it out, and then get rid of the contents. The reason I got another one is because after so long it starts to stain. You know, you're supposed to clean them regularly, obviously, and boil them. But mine needed replacing. I'd had it for quite a while, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to buy it through Lookfantastic, so I'm able to share with you. It comes in a little pouch like that as well. Now, just to let you know, I've tried moon cups and I hate them. I absolutely hate them. So if you've tried moon cups and you hate them, you think, well, I'm not going to like that. No, for me anyway, it's completely different. I just hate the feeling of having something there. I can feel a moon cup and they've dislodged and I've leaked. No, I've tried moon cups so many times. They just do not work. This is brilliant, and obviously it saves on sanitary protection. I tend to wear this when I'm heavier, or if I fancy you know what. Otherwise I wear period knickers. So yeah, 100% recommend, and it comes in 2 different sizes. This is bonkers. This retails for £180. It's now on sale for £60. Plus, I had a discount with my code. There's a few Babyliss hair stylers on sale. This is the 9000 cordless waver. I'll get it out and show you. So yeah, so it's retailing for £60. The box is so pretty, look. Look at that, look at that bird. Beautiful. This is the first time I'm seeing it. It comes in a little case like this, beautiful. And look, it's got a little bird there. So the reason I went for this then is because my hair is going through it at the minute. I've basically got wavy-ish hair. It's not straight, but it's not really wavy either. It's just got a little bit of a kink. Now, I mentioned this in a previous video. You might not have seen it yet. It might go up after this. But whenever my hair looks its best when I've gone out in the rain, I don't mean a huge downpour, soaked rat type look. I mean, if I've gone out and it's sort of like drizzle sort of rain, you know, and my hair is a little bit damp, and then I come back in the house and it goes a little bit frizzy, but it dries wavy. But it just looks so much better. It looks thicker. It looks like there's a bit of shine in there. Yeah, it is a bit frizzy, but it just looks so much better than if I were to blow dry my hair straight. At first it looks nice, but you look at me from behind and you just see this hair that doesn't want to be there, you know? It's like, oh, it just hangs, it's dry, it's horrible, it's thin. I need a lot of hair products to make it look great, but I was thinking, if my hair looks really nice with a natural wave in it, then I really fancy this, because this puts a wave in it, but then my hair will stay like it then, won't it? That's my thinking anyway, and it'll look better. The barrels aren't that big. Yes, they're big, but they're not massive, you know? Look at my hand there. I have seen others that are huge, but these are nice size. Yeah, if you've tried it, please let me know what you think. Then I've got the cables here. And, oh, I've got a European one as well. Handy. I'm going to have to read it to know for sure how to use it. I'd imagine if I had really thick, long hair, I'd be like, oh, it has got a bit of a weight to it, I've got to be honest. But it's not, I thought it would be heavier then. I'm shocked that it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. Okay, let's grab a little section of mad hair here. Let's see. I don't know if this is going to work. Maybe I need, because my hair's so thin, and maybe needs thicker sections. Look, look. So I don't know what that looks like. I'm looking in the viewfinder, but it's far away. I can't see what it looks like. Is it kinky? I'm going to have to do a separate video on this. A cordless waver featuring an innovative heating system to create long-lasting glossy waves. So we've got a waver. Now the next two items I've already got, and I've done a video on these before, but these are different shades. They are brand new from Benefit. We've got the Precisely My Brow Wax. This is a full pigment, hard holding wax, a little bit different to the wax that you might be already familiar with. And then we've got Precisely My Brow Detailer. This is the smallest eyebrow pencil out there. The Detailer retails for £22 and the full pigment wax retails for £26. The shades I originally had were great. They're my usual shades, which was a 3 or 3.5, but I fancied going a little bit darker and a little bit more adventurous. With the wax, I went for Auburn. It's 2.75. As we go into the year, you might notice that my hair will be getting more vibrant, more coppery, more fiery red. I tend to go darker in the winter months, then I go brighter in the summer and then darker again. I just thought this could be really, really nice. It could add a little bit of warmth to my eyebrows. Now they are microbladed. I have got some hair in between my brows because it's a hard holding wax. It's similar to the Gimme Brow, if you've ever tried that as well, where it picks up little hairs. With a Gimme Brow, you've got tiny little fibres and it's not as hard holding. This one, it is hard holding. So they're going to pick up all the little hairs, you style it into place, and then it stays put. It doesn't budge. It is so, so good. So I thought having a warmer tone, Auburn, that might be really, really nice. But it's a really nice warm brown. Can you see? I love the one I tried, which is my natural shade, but I just fancied seen what it's like with a little bit of warmth going through them as well. So yeah, really can't wait to see what that's like. And then with the detailer, I'm actually wearing it today in my eyebrows. Just little strokes just in the front there, just to fill in where my microblading is. I had the type of microblading that I wouldn't look too weird if I didn't have any makeup on. It looked quite natural, but then if I wanted to wear quite a bit of makeup and I want to just thicken up certain areas, then I can just do so. And yeah, it's literally, what, 1 minute? Just that's all I have to do. A few little lines there and a few little lines in the outer corner and I'm done. So I got a number 4 because I thought it'd be really nice to have it darker on the outer. So keep a number 3, and this is what Benefit suggest anyway. They just suggest having 2 different shades just for depth. But yeah, keeping the number 3 in the front there and going through, and then using the number 4 then just darker. But look at the nib. It is tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. You've got to be really, really careful. Just need a tiny little bit sticking out or else it'll snap. But there, you can see how small the lines you can get. They look just like hairs. So I've got 2 products that I already own, but these are different colours. Next, we've got a new product from Nars. This is the Power Matte High Intensity Lip Pencil. I got it in Endless Love 182. It comes in 10 different shades and it retails for £24. Now you may already know I absolutely adore Nars lipsticks. The Power Matte lipsticks are my favourite lipsticks. I just think they're amazing, really long lasting, they feel gorgeous on the lips, and yeah, really, really great colour payoff as well. So I really fancied this. It's a little bit different. It's from the Power Matte range, but it's a pencil. It says, providing up to 12 hours of full coverage, staying power, the Nars High Intensity Lip Pencil unites pigment with precision for a bolder finish. The transformative formula glides on with a creamy consistency but dries as a matte, locking in your look with a transfer-resistant finish. A power pigment complex, a dynamic blend of pure pigments and colour-enhancing ingredients, saturates the lips whilst offering lightweight, comfortable wear. It doesn't twist, so you have to sharpen that. Oh, this is so nice. Look, look, look. Look at that. Wow. That is so pigmented. I love a pencil as well. Just nice and easy without using a lip liner. I love that. I love that colour. Absolutely spot on choice, Claire. Although I do quite fancy some of the other ones as well, so you might see some other shades in other hauls, you never know. If you want me to do a video on that, I'm not sure how you think about doing lipstick reviews, but if you'd like me to do a video on it, doing a tester, seeing how it lasts throughout the day and if it comes off on cups and things like that, then yeah, let me know. High intensity lip pencil from Nars there. Next up, I got a new foundation from Revolution. This is Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation, and I've got it in F6. There's 23 mils there. It comes in 18 shades and it retails for £10.99, and obviously with my code I had a discount. Combining an airy texture with light to medium coverage, Revolution's Skin Silk Serum Foundation encourages a natural airbrushed effect. This formula visibly blurs, brightens and smooths a complexion while remaining comfortable on the skin. Enriched with hyaluronic acid and a blend of peptides, the foundation delivers a boost of hydration to the skin, promoting a soft, supple texture. Suitable for all skin types, the formula is equipped with a built-in pump for a controlled application, and it's vegan, cruelty free. That's what it looks like without the packaging on. It's very nice. Ooh, I've already said it had a pump. It does, but look. Oh no, made a mess. That's better. There. Okay, try it on this hand. What was I thinking when I went for this colour? Was I having a tan day? It's a little bit on the yellow side for me. Oh no. But then saying that, my hand is a lot paler than my face. Feels really, really nice. I'll test it out. If I fall in love with the foundation, then I could get a lighter one and then mix it together, but it feels amazing on my skin. Just hope I don't look too yellow. But never mind. Last item I bought is for my skin, for my spots. I've got some spot patches by CosRx. They retail for £13.99. They're currently on sale for £11.19, and then my code brought it down a little bit. There's 36 patches in here. So this is what they look like. I have featured spot patches numerous times in these hauls. I normally buy the Zit Sticker, and Zit Sticker remains my #1 brand, but they're so pricey. For a box of 8, £27, which is bonkers, isn't it? Bonkers. But they are amazing. I would 100% recommend those Zit Sticker patches for you if you had like a special night out, or you're getting married, or anything like that, you know, where you've got a spot coming and it's like, uh-oh, you need to get rid of it before it like goes into a head. Yeah, Zit Sticker are amazing, absolutely amazing. So I wanted something a little bit more affordable that I could use in between. You know, the reviews are really good, which is why I went for them. But yeah, can you see them there? So the little patches, you just peel them off and stick them on top of your spot. It contains salicylic acid and tea tree leaf oil. It helps to soothe the troubled area. Patches with thin edges for invisible coverage. And they're to help reduce the appearance of blemishes and breakouts. They say diminish your look of blemishes and breakouts with CosRx Master Patch Intensive. The transparent spot stickers work overnight to reduce the appearance of redness while helping to absorb excess oils and protect against the risk of picking. Infused with tea tree oil and hydrocolloid patches provide a soothing effect on the skin alongside encouraging a more clarified looking complexion. If any of you have tried these, please let me know what you think. But yeah. So they'll be going on my spots. There you go, there's all the items in this month's Look Fantastic Beauty Haul. I'd love to hear your thoughts, especially if you've tried any of these items, and if you'd like me to test them out in any videos, then as always, please let me know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.